Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Rudranil Sahu from Department of Mathematics, the University of Patna. My today's discussion entitled as Introduction AI-driven predictive model for sustainable aquatic culture, a study to optimize the fish population dynamics in West Bengal. So this is a way to sustainability. We have categorized our discussion into the introductory part, the preliminary part, the objective practices topic, methodology, useful result, and so on. This is the abstract part which I have already sent. And this is coming up to the introductory part, that problems of inland fisheries in West Bengal, that states that the Department of Fisheries Aquatic Resources of West Bengal was founded in 1911 and revived in 1942 to address the rising fish demand, largely due to the population growth in search of nutritious meat, the cultural importance of fish in Bengali cuisine. So studies reveal that the states of inland fisheries production growth has been declining to up to the 2013 to 2014, it with risk of specific species extinction in the trend continues. So approach with the mathematical point of view, optimization of fish population dynamics in an efficient way, mathematical modeling of the scenario helps to obtain efficient solution. Approach with emerging trends. That's currently AI studies stands as one of the most important parts of emerging trends. So coming up to the essential preliminaries part, that West Bengal focuses on freshwater species like rohu, katra and mrigal for local consumption and water soil treatment. In freshwater aquaculture, it's natural to treat the pond water for mineralization and the disinfection, and for adjusting pH and adjustment of disinfections by substances like COCO3, CaO2 and CaO, etc. So we have coming up to the two basic mathematical tools we have used during this making process of our AI-driven model, that is the method of interpolation and the linear programming problem. Using the method of interpolation, we can fit a smooth curve between any kind of points are given. And the linear programming problem is helpful to optimize the objective function we have considered. So coming up to the objectives of the current research topic, using an AI-driven model, we are predicting and evaluating fish population depends upon various quality water quality parameters and evaluating water quality within 1 to 10, which is called healthy fish population. So coming up to the next point, that formation of the linear programming problem regarding the fish population based on water quality parameters, pH and salinity level, and then solving it. And graphical representation of the population dynamics of the fish is a 6-dimensional perspective. So coming to the methodology part, developing an AI-driven predictive model based on the 2 points, that predicting fish population dynamics and the pH salinity, and the evaluating water quality levels at healthy fish population. Obtaining data points of the AI-driven model, then we calculated the fish population function using the interpolation method and formation of linear programming problem, which is the maximization of the fish population function. This construction is considered to maintain balanced aquatic culture. It is important to seek water and soil treatment using compatible fertilizers, both bio and chemical. Utilizing such conditions, we have derived 2 linear equations and we have utilized in our LPP model. This is an illustrative example of the methodology we have stated. So this is the table, and we are gonna discussing about that. This is the function which I have followed that in the equation number 3. So this is a useful table for the 5 different kind of parameters, water quality parameters and the corresponding fish population. And this is the discussion analysis part. We have AI-driven predictive model to maximize fish population dynamics, which promotes sustainable aquatic culture using machine learning algorithms and data analytics. Model integrates environmental, biological, socio-economic factors to predict fish population trend. For instance, we have designed a situation for the fish population which depends on the 2 water quality variables, that is the pH and the salinity level of the water quality and the corresponding fish population. We have to optimize it. So this is the solution and the physical religion of the LPD model we have considered, and this is the solution. The green point you can see there, and this is the solution. So this is the 6-dimensional visualization of the LPP model and the corresponding mathematical model, that is we are going to show that with 6 kind of points, that is the temperature, pH level, fish population, ammonia dissolved oxygen level, salinity level. So the temperature, pH level and fish population are taking along the x-axis, y-axis, z-axis respectively, while the ammonia level, dissolved oxygen level and salinity level are shown with the color and size and transparency gradient. So this is the visualization of 6-dimensional plot between six kind of parameters there. So what are the future scope of our research topic? That predicting the fish population based on more than 2 parameters using this AI model we have filled it. So obtaining interpreting polynomial that decides the objective function with more than 2 factors, as we have taken only the example of only the pH and the salinity. We can also furthermore add many other points like that with dissolved oxygen also here, and any kinds of water quality, and rather than anything we can plot in our AI model. So our future work leads to obtaining the data based on a huge data set, various parameters that enhance fish population. So this is the conclusion. The study reviews an efficient approach to maximize the fish population depending upon two parameters, pH and salinity. Although the discussion is based on only two parameters, we can extend our future work purposes together with a large data set. And we ensure that such optimization leads to zero hunger, decent work and economic growth, conserve and sustainability use of life below the water. This is a research proposal, as the machine learning totally depends upon the collection of training data points, training data sets. We want to enhance our model with more efficient data points. Therefore, we are proposing to join with us for the future purposes in this research, because with the perfect collaboration of training data sets and the optimization, we can further enhance our AI models and sustainable aquatic culture promote this. So this is the useful references. This is my teacher courtesy, and thank you for it.